Hi guys, so today we're gonna be seeing what this slime does, and it's really cool and really stretchy, and it's gonna be so exciting. So let's see, and I'm gonna tell you how to play with it. Hope you like my video, and I hope you like my slime. I hope you like and subscribe to my videos. And if you want to make this slime, I hope you follow my instructions. You can also watch other videos about how to make slime burritos. And you can try to spell your name with your slime, or you can buy it or ask Santa Claus for it.
That's a good
Have
idea.
a Merry Christmas. Bye. We're going to be playing this with the slime today. We're going to see if we can try to make a slime bubble with it. As you see, it's really glittery and stretchy and pink. It's really glittery. It has some hearts and some red stuff in it. So, and it really stretches. And it's super sticky, but it does not stick to your hands. But the glitter does. Except for the glitter. It sticks to the table too, the glitter. So you might want to plant this outside or on the table so you don't drop it on the grass. So, it's a really nice day out here today. And we're just going to be seeing what we can do with the slime. First activity we're going to do with the slime is roll it. Like this. Let's see if we can make a shell. I wonder if we can. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Wow. Ah. Okay, let's see if we cannot mess it up this time. So we're just going to have to... Ah! I think it's going to mess up. So it always stays together. It's really hard to break it apart. Except for that time, because I was pulling it hard. So it's really like stretchy on. Oh, and look how much glitter left on the floor. It's okay, it still has lots more glitter. Ooh, bouncy. Anyways, I have my tattoo. My daddy's recording me.
Hello.
And
So tell me about the slime. Where did you get it? Where did you...
I went to a slumber party today. It was for one night. I made this.
Wow. What kind of ingredients did you use to make it?
You put the glue in, so pause it so you can put
Okay,
the
glue.
in. Pause it so you can put the glue in. Did you do the glue? Did you do the glue? Good.
Yes.
So, now the next ingredient was detergent. So pause the video and go
No
ahead
way. What kind of detergent?
Laundry detergent.
Oh my goodness.
So you have to use laundry detergent, so go ahead and pause the video and do detergent. Did you do that?
Mm-hmm.
Good job. Ah. Sorry. And then we started mixing with our spoons. Actually, after the detergent, you start mixing with your spoons. So start doing that. I'll do it too with my slime. So you started mixing, mix. I might have to finish the rest of this video tomorrow so I can tell you the rest, because I might forget.
Wow, look at that.
Oh wow, that was cool.
It's like a slime wall.
Yeah. I like a slime window. Like a slime window. It's stretchy, alright. Let's see if we can go from over here all the way to over there. Let's see if we'll make it. It did make it.
Wow.
Let's count together how long it is. 1, 2, 3. And 9, 30.
30 fingers, wow. It's
It's
30 fingers long.
30 feet long, Daddy.
No, I don't think that's 30 feet. 30 fingers.
Okay, let's see if we can make a big circle with this. I'm gonna stretch it over here. Stretch it.
It kind of looks like a star.
Oh yeah! And just do the top to make it a star. Like that. And pull the bottom. Well, that's cool. Look at that.
It's like a giant splat.
We got ourselves a splat in a store. And some bubbles in here.
Bubble, bubble.
Put down. You might want to pass down the bubbles. If it breaks, it's okay. It's okay. We still have beautiful. There's still a lot more in this video. Now let's see if we can fold the star, make it smaller. That's fine. Put it up there. Now I'm gonna fold this over, fold that over, fold that over, and fold that over. Now finally the top. It is dripping. That's it. The star. Now we just flat it. We pat it.
So tell me, what's so fun about slime?
It's super sticky and you can stretch it a lot. But you have to play with it outside is the sad part.
Why is that?
Just because you cannot watch your favorite videos.
We don't want slime all over the house either.
Yes. And it's
Because it can be a little messy.
Yes. Victor, I'm sorry you didn't get to go to the slumber party and make the slime. You'll make it one day. I'm gonna have a slime birthday.
Wow, look at that.
Slime window. Oh, what is it? Oh, it's a bubble. It's a bubble. Oh, see, it's getting smaller.
Blow on it, see what happens. Whoa. Ah.
Looks like butt cheek.
Ew. Ew.
I want to do it again. Let's see if we can get it to do that again.
That is some pretty goopy slime.
Let's see if we can make a fart noise. Yeah, did you hear that?
Mm-hmm. Ugh.
I don't know if you can hear it on camera. Okay, so let's see. Let's see if we can do that again. That slime window. So I'm going to spread it out really far. Get it. Aw, let's make a burrito. Or Dorito. Or no, burrito. Are we making bread here? Are we making bread? Yeah, we're making bread. And then we're gonna roll it up. There's a rolling bread.
Huh.
The rolling bread. Okay, get away, fly. Yeah, we're outside, so there'll be lots of bugs. Now, you might want to do this outside if you're at home, too. I'm at home right now. Let's see. It's super hard. You hear crickets?
Mm-hmm.
But the problem is, you can never see crickets. For some reason. Flies. Hate flies.
Glittery, wow.
Now let's see if we can make a flower. Let's spell my name. And we're gonna do E and then M and then N and then A. Okay, I don't think we can make it. Can we? Let's see if we can make an E. E, so we did E. And then if you come this way then. It's an M. Come this way, and it's an M. See?
I do see. E-M.
And then another M.
Mm-hmm.
And then let's make the A. My A's a small A, but I don't know if you can make a small A. There you go.
Yeah, looks like you did it.
Looks like we did it.
That was a
Now
cool
let's
way
see
to
if we
spell
can
your
flat
name.
it. Let's flat it. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like and subscribe. I want to get